Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by verifying the XG model, current firmware build, and license validity so you know compatibility and support. Once done, perform a full configuration backup and export system logs. This preserves state if rollback is required. Make sure to schedule a maintenance window and notify stakeholders. Downtime expectations reduce pressure. With backups verified and a rollback plan documented, you're ready to download the correct firmware from Sophos and prepare the appliance for upgrade. You upload the firmware image to the appliance using the admin console or SFTP, placing it where upgrades read. Verify the image checksum and read release notes to avoid hidden incompatibilities. This prevents avoidable failures. If you have an HA pair, apply the update to the standby unit first so sessions failover safely. Once the standby is healthy, failover and update the former primary. Monitor services and logs during install. Pause if errors appear and consult the release notes. You finish by validating core services, firewall rules, VPN tunnels, NAT, reporting, and endpoint communications to ensure traffic flows as expected. Once done, reapply any custom scripts or third-party integrations and verify drivers and modules match the new firmware. If issues occur, boot the appliance to the previous firmware and restore your backup configuration. This restores operations quickly. Finally, check system logs to identify the root cause. Then patch or adjust
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.